Hey learners, it's another beautiful day. Welcome to the channel. Learn every day, grow every second. I'm back with burning topic which is digital marketing. It's getting very popularized among all the jobless, the youngsters and the new aspirants of digital era. How does digital marketing came into picture? With growing need of internet, everyone wanted to land their particular business over internet. That's how digital came into picture. Let's get to know what exactly is digital marketing. Before we used to have marketing, which is door to door marketing, face to face marketing, marketing over pamphlets, marketing over newspapers. Nowadays, everything is electronic. With electronic, we get into digital. When the world is getting digitally, with the growing needs, every business is getting digitally. So, to popularize it, to promote it, everyone is back of digital marketing. When there used to be a physical marketer, how will the physical marketer used to promote his particular product? By placing banner or with a word of mouth. When the good is good, we'll obviously go and speak about the product. What if that particular person want to popularize it wide, want to explore the market? Then how will he get to know the opposite person's interests? It's simple. Did you remember while you creating a Facebook account? I did remember. I made it created by my best friend. But instead of that, if I would have used it I would have got a new skill. Instead of that, I made him do it and he acquired a skill. Same funda implies over there in digital marketing too. When you use these skills, you will acquire it. When you are thinking to visit an institute, learn the skill, that's not the right idea, I suggest. Because when you go over there in institute, spending lot of money, taking a lot of time, you won't have your comfort zone. In digital area, comfort is a priority. You will get time sometime, other times you will have your own work or you want to explore some other work. That's all yours. When the world is here, you need to play out of it. That's how you can acquire skill by playing with the tools over there digitally. These all are, most of the tools are free, few are paid tools too. How will you start it? When you want to start it, when you have zeal, no one can stop. If you don't have interest, when like instantly at a first instance you may have interest, you will go to institute, spend lot of money. In between you lose the interest. When your mind is fluctuating, I'll suggest you to stop over there. Don't go for opportunities. Stay calm. Think of your opportunities, think of SWOT analysis and do your analysis and get back. SWOT, I think you may be knowing: strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. So that's how you'll analyze, that's how you'll get to know. Then when you're back at digital marketing, just think of market, what you can do, what is your skill. If you're lacking few skill, acquire them. If you're lacking communications, try learning it. If you're lacking written skills, try learning it. How will you learn those? There's so many free YouTube, free tutorials, free tools in the market where if you write the sentence, normally automatically corrects it. When you use those softwares, then work will be done. Yes. So when you use it, then you'll get to know. You commit mistakes, you learn it from those mistakes, you grow, you earn. That's how everyone does grow. If you have a zeal to become millionaire, if you have a zeal to attain certain goal, that's the simple funda you follow. Follow your SWOT. You'll land good opportunity. So back to digital marketing, how will you use those tools? How will you get certified? If you want to get recognition, there are so many softwares, so many search engines which are providing. Google is a big search engine which is providing certification for every role. What is digital marketing? How many opportunities you'll be having? See, digital marketing is head. Under footer, you'll have so many options. Any tool which you imply, that becomes an opportunity for you. How will you get to popularize? How will you brand yourself to get a job as a freelancer or to get a job over there outside market? See, when you implement tool, that becomes your resume, that becomes your portfolio, that becomes your work, that becomes your internships. That's how you'll implement. If you have with some tool, try to learn it in depth. Those tools are free. To learn those tools, you can fetch a YouTube video, but follow one particular person. Otherwise, it'll be mixture. World is not scarce of giving, like, their advices are very free. Anyone will give advices, but you're the person who will take it. Think before taking those advices. Free advices are plenty, but you're the person who's going to realize your dreams, right? So later, investment. What investment do you need? See, when you plan to visit institute, why can't you spend on yourself? You may ask, yes, I'm spending on myself, that's why I'm going to institute. Instead of going to institute, spend on creating a blog. Start with WordPress, start with blog, start with vlogs, start with all the tools which are over there on YouTube, which are there over on Google. You'll learn it. That's how you'll build your career. And with plenty of opportunities, I'll be supporting you. If you like this particular video, hit like button, share, comment. I wish all the good luck. Stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.